Hello, today I'm doing a little demonstration with heat blocks that prevent heat from getting to sensitive items when soldering takes place. Here we have a piece of plywood, and this product here, it's I think that's US engineered product, a heat block gel spray. So I'm going to simply spray this piece of plywood with it. And I have a torch. So after a little bit with the torch up quite close, it's starting to actually burn it off. But here's a piece of cardboard. You just try this, yeah, this works. They say give a liberal spray. I probably could have put more in the plywood. Anyway, here we go. So if you put a little more liberal of a spray on there, as you can tell, I didn't put any spray on this side. I'm just going to try something else here. There's a we know what heat will do to plastic. Doesn't take much to make it disappear. So with that, I'm just going to spray this piece of plastic with it and see what happens. Yeah, it did burn some holes in it, alright, but or melt some holes in it, I guess, where it was not, but overall it wasn't all that bad. I must say, on the cardboard, worked very well. I think if I had applied a little bit more on the wood, and I will do that right now just to make sure. And it worked out pretty good. There's also another product, and this one is a thermal block as well. You take it and you bead it off. It comes almost like a jello. I call it jello, jelly or whatever. And you take it and you just bead it right around the pipe on either side, and it does prevent the heat from moving from one side of the pipe to the other, although it will slowly come across. There's no absolute way of preventing it with these products. But those are two products. This one is made by KMP, and it's a thermal block too. And the other one is US engineered products, heat block gel spray. I have used this in a number of places. It is great when you're getting around any wood or whatever, and you just want to take some precautions to make sure that you're not putting the place up in flames. Anyway, that's it. That's a great spray, and that also will help you out in certain situations. Anyway, I hope that helped. Have a great day.